Welcome to my channel, where we bring you the latest and most mind-blowing innovations in luxury vehicles and futuristic living. Today, we're stepping inside something that will completely redefine what you think a truck can be. This is not just any semi-truck, it's the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a machine that blends the raw power of a legendary truck with the elegance of a five-star hotel on wheels. Some are already calling it the world's most luxurious truck, and after seeing what's inside, you'll understand exactly why. Now, at first glance, the Kenworth T2000 still carries that bold, aerodynamic design we know and love, but it's been transformed into something futuristic and incredibly sophisticated. The exterior looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, with smooth LED lighting accents, chrome detailing, and sleek panels that scream both power and luxury. But it's when we step inside that the magic truly begins. Let's start with the living area. Unlike anything you'd expect in a truck, the T2000 Motorhome features a full open-concept lounge with premium leather seating, a massive smart TV, and customizable LED mood lighting. Imagine pulling over at a scenic spot, dimming the lights, and relaxing like you're in a private luxury suite rather than a truck cab. Every inch is crafted with detail: polished wood, brushed aluminum finishes, and even panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Moving on to the kitchen, this is where the Kenworth blows minds. You're looking at a fully functional, state-of-the-art chef setup. High-end appliances, induction cooktops, a convection oven, and even a smart refrigerator that tracks your groceries. The countertops are marble finished, with hidden storage to keep everything sleek and clutter-free. Whether you're cooking a quick snack or a gourmet meal on the road, this kitchen has it all. Next, let's check out the bedroom. And trust me, you've never seen a bedroom in a truck like this before. We're talking about a full queen-size bed with luxury bedding, climate-controlled comfort, and an entertainment system built right in. The lighting can be adjusted to simulate sunrise or sunset, helping you relax and wake up naturally, no matter where you're parked. The storage is cleverly designed, giving you plenty of space for clothes, luggage, and personal items without sacrificing the open feel of the room. But the real showstopper? The bathroom. Forget cramped RV showers. This is more like a spa. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome features a walk-in rain shower, smart mirrors with integrated displays, and heated flooring. Yes, heated flooring in a truck. The sink and vanity look straight out of a luxury hotel, and the entire setup is designed to make you forget you're even inside a vehicle. On top of all that, the 2026 T2000 is packed with futuristic technology, smart voice controls, AI-driven navigation, solar charging panels, and even self-leveling systems so you're always comfortable when parked. It's eco-friendly, it's high-tech, and it's designed for those who want to travel the world without sacrificing an ounce of luxury. So, is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome really the world's most luxurious truck? After seeing the bedroom, the kitchen, the spa bathroom, and all the high-tech features, I'd say absolutely yes. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and quite possibly the future of motorhome living. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Kenworth T2000, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic luxury reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you choose this over a traditional RV or even a mansion?